Niku, our podcast called Smart Medicine. What is excites you about the future of medicine?
Yeah, I think it's still a wonderful field to be in. Uh, so many developments. Smart medicine, yeah, maybe I can also give a bit my view on things also outside my direct field. I'm amazed by the fact that we learn more and more about our immune system, actually, and the way we can use this knowledge to treat various diseases, not only cancer, but also other type of diseases you see now where we can steer our immune system to do certain very precise interventions, you might say, in our body. And as I foresee a lot of development into that. And I'm really excited by that field, to be honest. I also things like living technologies, making organs. Yeah, the progress there is also quite impressive. It's also a rich field where you have to bring various technologies together to 3D print small organs or organs or larger organs even later. So there's a lot of different technologies come together to make this happen. And in a wider scale, yeah, medicine, I think it will become even more important because your health is crucial. And we see how much quality of life is derived from your health status, physical health, mental health. So I think in the future generation, health will become even more important, and thus medicine will become more important. Yeah. So I'm quite excited by this actually.
Niku, thank you so much for joining us. Do you have any other messages for our colleagues out there? Is there anything you want to add to our conversations?
You're never old to learn. So even now I'm 50, right?
I'm 53.
We can still learn and we should do that. And we do that by exposing yourself to new thing and to the young people. If we do that, we can still do quite some years to and make a good contributions.